Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix HDMI IRC not working Samsung TV. Let's go. Disconnect your HDMI device from the TV. Open Smart Hub. Source. Connection guide. Audio. HDMI IRC. Connect your device to the HDMI input and the power supply. Select your device. If it does not work, then open Settings, General, Device Manager, enable AnyNet Plus, Sound, Expert Settings, enable HDMI IRC mode. Select Auto. Select Auto. That's it. Now you know how to fix HDMI IRC not working Samsung. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.